Alrighty, let's get right into it. We're headed into the biggest wealth transfer of human history, and if you're not locked in, yeah, you're gonna miss it. I actually wasn't gonna do an upload today, was filming, but with the noise around crypto this week and the fact that out of my first 3 unfiltered videos, the crypto talk got almost 4 times the amount of views. So this upload isn't really about hype, me just sharing my thoughts of what you actually need to do to stay sharp and actually profitable in this market, because that's important, right? I think the biggest thing that's so overlooked but talked about lots is if you're not taking profits, you're trading wrong. Crypto moves so fast and the market gives you so little, so don't go broke if you're not taking profits. Have a strategy. Take that certain percentage, 10%, 20%. Always, always, always look at the percentage amount rather than the dollar figure overall. Whatever your system is, have a strategy and stick to it. And have a profit-taking strategy that you actually are disciplined enough to follow. Obviously, like, those Hopian bags are great, but if you're not pulling off your initials, you're not pulling your profits, you're not taking your 10, 20, 30, whatever it is that you feel comfortable with, you're not going to make it in this whole crypto trading emotional roller coaster if that's what it turns into for you. It's just one of those things that we all screenshot. We're all ideally optimistic of what's going to happen, but the reality is have a set strategy that you're disciplined with, you're taking those profits, and you're ensuring that you've got some money left over, because if everything goes to zero or you get rugged or something happens with your account, always, always, always have that, whether it be off exchange or whatever, that you've got that nest egg, because I tell you, not enough people are doing that in this game or in this, yeah, it's a game. Let's call it a game. Not enough people are doing it in this game, and they're getting ruined, or they're just not achieving what it is they set out to do, or even hitting 10% of that. So take those profits. It's so key. One of the things when it comes to investing is Bitcoin's still the GOAT overall. So if you're not on the charts all day, if you're not doing flips, realistically, most of it, people are asking me, what do I do? I just tell them, buy Bitcoin. It outperforms 99% of the traders who aren't taking it seriously. You're probably not going to outwork this asset. So all I'm going to say is put it into Bitcoin, just relax. Unless you're onto the charts and you're dialed in and you're part of groups and you're tuned in on a regular basis, it's probably not going to be profitable or advantageous for you to focus on anything else but Bitcoin. So stay dialed in, stay focused with that. Bitcoin is the GOAT. You're probably not going to beat it. Staying plugged in and ready is so important because crypto turns on a dime. Obviously, yesterday proved that. There was massive moves in, a matter of minutes. So if you're not checking the charts, at least set alerts and don't be caught sleeping. Being early isn't lucky. It's being dialed in and having yourself, locked in and ready for what's ahead. So that's super, super key and super critical that you're setting alerts, you're being vigilant about it, and you're being prepared, because as we saw how quick crypto can shift, you want to be on the pulse of it and you want to be ready to make those moves and get those entry points so you're in a profit over time, because that's the goal. That's what we're doing here, right? If you're watching this and the value's there for you, don't click off. Obviously, the people who stay to the ends are the ones who actually apply this stuff. So if you are one of the real ones, you're subscribed, I'm thankful for it. If you're not, click that sub button, like this video. I've got more hot tips, and I'm going to actually help you guys win this cycle. So let's work together and let's make it happen. And real talk here, if you're actually serious about making it in this crypto cycle, I've been through it. I'm dialed in daily. I'm happy to guide you, whether it's a bit of a strategy, whether it's having a bit of a better approach with profit taking, or just setting up a system. Reach out to me. I'm here for a real conversation, not here to sell you fluff. I truly want you guys to win, so let's do it. Although a bit of a quick upload, I'm actually glad that I got it across to you, and I'm glad I'm able to share my thoughts, and it does seem like there's a lot of genuine conversation around crypto, so this is awesome. I've also got a couple free Telegram groups that I'm running with. If you're interested in joining the DGen Den, hit me up on Twitter or comment trade below and I'll send you access. There's no cost, no pitch. I really, like I said, want everybody to do well. So if you're not following me up on X, it's where I'm the most active. You can follow me at Dan Has Driven the Handle and let's talk more crypto. And next week we're in Toronto, we're at Consensus. So if there's anything crypto related you want me to do a deep dive on, hit me up, let's talk about it. Build mode on is live. This is the raw, unfiltered, and the goal is made to help you win with wealth, with content, with fitness, and share my experience overall. So thanks for tuning in and don't miss another upload. We'll see you guys in another one.